Hey everyone, I finally got my first package from Lexi. Now obviously it comes from China, so that's why it takes a while. But I finally got my first package. This package had 2 orders in it. I'm only going to show the one in this video though, because it would have been just way too long. Look at me fight to open this box, by the way. The box did come kind of squished. It comes from China again, has to go through customs. It takes a long journey. But look at, I fought to open this. So then I wanted to keep it in to show you guys. Anyway, so these are from here on TikTok. The name is called whatsgadget.uk and the website is Nail Gadgets. I'm pretty sure that her name used to be Nail Gadgets here on TikTok, but she changed it to What's Gadgets. I'm not 100% though. Everybody knows her as Lexi. She is amazing. She goes live every day except for Mondays, I believe, at 10:30 Eastern Time. And she has all these amazing DIY items and rhinestones and crystals and charms and stickers and all the things, you guys. Anything you can think of for like crafting and decorating nails, she's got pretty much. It's amazing. And they're all so great quality. Oh my God, they're so pretty. You guys should come hang out with us. Even if you don't want to claim anything, just come hang out and say hi. It's a lot of fun. And Lexi is super sweet. So yeah, come hang out with us. So this box actually had 2 orders in it. I'm going to just show you the first one because the video would have just been way too long. This was my first ever order on my own. I had ordered previously with Kara, and Kara actually has a couple things in this order. The chains are for her. But yeah, this is my first box, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Everything is so pretty. I love everything. Thank you so much, Lexi, if you watch this. And yeah, guys, go check her out. These here, I wanted to say too real quick, I bought these from the actual website. You can also buy things from the website. You don't have to claim it during the live. Just know during the live it is probably a little bit cheaper and you get the whole experience. So come hang out live. At least that's how I think it works. If you order on live, or claim on live, it's a little bit cheaper than just ordering from the website. I'm not really sure, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll let you guys check out all the pretties I got. Let me know what is your favorite in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you bunches. Bye.